Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the card PIN and card number. Mistakes here cause failed connections. Once done, choose a device with calling card dial capability or the provider's access number. Make sure to enter the recipient number in full international or local format, country code first when needed. While dialing, listen for prompts and have a pen handy for confirmation codes. This step sets a clean baseline so subsequent steps connect quickly and avoid balance loss. After connecting to the access number, enter your PIN promptly and clearly. Delays may time out the session. Then choose direct dial to input the destination number yourself or operator assisted if you need help with formats. Pay attention to tones or voice prompts confirming the connection and listen for remaining balance announcements. If you expect a long call, confirm per minute rates and session limits now, because interruptions often happen when balances run low or sessions reach preset time caps. When you finish, hang up or follow the provider's end session prompt. Then immediately note the remaining balance and any confirmation ID for records. If the call fails, retry the PIN entry slowly, confirm you used the correct access number, and try an alternate access number if provided. Make sure the device network is stable and that dialing format is correct. If problems persist, contact provider support with your card number and confirmation ID. This speeds resolution and protects remaining funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.